From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
And good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Kevin Appleby with your Campus Weather Service forecast on this gorgeous Monday, March 21st, 2022. You could see here in our 4 Commonwealth cameras, basically in all the corners of the state, showing a mainly sunny sky, just a few more clouds here in State College, but otherwise, it's another gorgeous day. If you've been a big fan of the past week or so of a taste of May, you're going to deal with that for the rest of today. Unfortunately, I cannot say the same for the 7-day forecast. Right now, we've got 54 degrees with a northwest wind around 8 miles an hour, so gusting a little bit higher than that at times. The wind is probably the only thing you notice other than how nice it is right now. Satellite and radar shows a very similar picture. There's really nothing going on other than just a few more clouds down towards the southwest. Otherwise, it's a relatively clear day around Pennsylvania. Temperatures generally in the upper 40s to mid and upper 50s now across the Commonwealth. No, warmer a bit in the southeast and southwest as typical for this time of year and in general. Otherwise, a nice 55 now in State College to Williamsport, 50s from Franklin, Du Bois, Bradford, and over towards Scranton. Now, compared to the last 24 hours, we were dealing with a lot of clouds and even some rain in the western 2/3 of the state at this time yesterday. So, as a result, much warmer than at this time 24 hours ago. In the upper teens out west. Again, not as much of a factor in the eastern third of the state because you start off with some sunshine yesterday. Wind speeds, that's, again, the only thing you're really going to notice other than how nice it is. Generally in the upper single digits to the teens now across Pennsylvania. Definitely a little more focus in the eastern half of the Commonwealth, but gusting at times a little bit higher than this, into the low 20s. Now, what I'm about to show you is the upper air pattern for the United States over the next few days. So, what we're looking at right now for today is a trough out west. Now, it's digging pretty deep, so it's a pretty strong and anomalous trough. That's going to spark some severe weather in the Houston metro area for tonight. While we're stuck in this ridge, stuck in a ridge, maybe I shouldn't say that. It's very nice to be stuck in a ridge because it brings above average temperatures. But as we put things into motion, that trough's going to start sneaking its way over here. By tomorrow night, the severe threat is going to move towards the Louisiana, Mississippi area. Definitely a big concern for some pretty strong tornadoes there. Meanwhile, lots of clouds for tomorrow here in PA, but otherwise still warm. And as we move towards Wednesday, that trough pushes east, and it brings the severe threat to the southeast coast. The severe threat doesn't make it as far north as Pennsylvania, but there will be some pockets of heavier rain and even a rumble of thunder here or there on Wednesday. As we push things towards the weekend, that's when we get into the middle of this trough, and it's going to be on the colder side as we round out the 7-day forecast. Just putting things in terms of precipitation now, you could see a cloudy day on Tuesday. The rain arrives for Wednesday. The heaviest rain you'll see is likely on Wednesday. However, the rest of the 7-day forecast is going to remain unsettled, as you can see here. On again, off again showers. And by Sunday, the temperature gets so cold that we're going to be talking about the chance for some snow across parts of Pennsylvania. For the rest of today, though, let's enjoy this while we have it. High temperature of 63 degrees with abundant sunshine, just a few clouds here or there. A bit breezy with west winds at 5 to 10, gusting to around 20 miles an hour. And for tonight, those winds are going to relax. We will trade that off with some increasing cloud coverage. Low dropping down to about 39 degrees with more clouds by the morning hours. And for the day tomorrow, could start off partly sunny. However, I think the clouds will take over very quickly. Mostly cloudy by the afternoon, just a few peaks of sun every now and again. High temperature topping out at 57, so still mild, just not as nice as today. As we take a look at that 7-day forecast, again, Wednesday's probably the wettest day. I wouldn't call it a washout. Compared to the rest of the days with precip, it's going to be the wettest. As we go towards Thursday and Friday, we feature just the chance for on again, off again rain showers. Notice the temperature difference though. We go from around 60 on Thursday to 50 on Friday and Saturday. And then our temperatures plummet for Saturday night, could even reach below freezing again. So that'll be interesting to see if that drops below freezing, what it could have on some possible blooming of flowers and things like that. To Sunday, where we struggle to get out of the 30s, and we could see some snow around State College. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Kevin Appleby. Have a great afternoon.